Today we're going to see Hindu newspaper June 16th. Here few articles. First article is Y1 not a variant of concern at center. The new coronavirus variant of Y1 is found in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. We'll see detail about this variant. India formally acknowledged occurrence of the AY1 coronavirus variant related to the Delta variant. You can see here in this article, AY1 is a coronavirus variant that closely related to the prevailing of Delta variant. AY1 or a B1611721 has a mutation called a K417N that is linked to the eye infectively and has been associated with the beta variant first identified in the South Africa. This coronavirus variant linked to eye infectively and associated with the beta variant. You can see here article they clearly mentioned AY1 or a B1611721 63 genomes identified still June 7. Globally response rate in the GISIAID including 14 of USA, 13 from Japan and 6 from India. The Global Institute on Sharing All Influence Data, it's sharing here too. The genome 63 belongs to the US and 13 from Japan and 6 from the India, and UK has identified the 35 genomes of AY1. It also called a Delta plus variant. It has mutation called the mutation of AY1 is called a K417N, previously identified in the beta variant. In this article, you can see the new coronavirus variant is AY1 or B1617121. It's previously the new variant of India is not known. Next article is the invisible tax. Yesterday we studied detail about inflation and what happened. The increase in the price of goods and services in the market we call inflation. Already we studied three types of inflation. Today we will see in this article what they are telling. Here emergent action is needed to rein in inflation as a people face income losses, medical cost. Here increasing in the medical cost and increasing in the fuels and increasing in the food, this and all is facing for inflation for the people. In this article we will see the economy of the tended the easily restriction remain model with inflation number of make compounding the problems. Here you can see the inflation is high now 6.3 because the rising fuel and edible oil cost increasing in the inflation. Negative surplus inflation based on the wholesale price index is ranked have at 25 years recorded yearly 13%, while retail inflation touched a 6-month high 6.3%, while runaway fuel price that includes high excess duties and taxes were key factors of driving up both the inflation indices. They were not only one at work. Retail inflation is the food hit 6-month high in 5% and barely 2% compared to April, with pulses and eggs as well as edible oils leading to the surge. Fuel and light inflation it's 11.6%, the highest in over 9 years and no repeats in the sight. Reacting the April retail inflation price of 4.6% after the average steep of 6.2% through 2020 and 21. The RBI governor had remarked earlier this month that is brought some relief and elbow room for sticking with a growth supporting policy. Yesterday already we studied detail about inflation is increasing means increasing in the price of the goods and services in the market. In this year inflation is controlling, it's there for RBI only, it's telling here the maintaining of inflation minimum, it's like now increasing in the medical and increasing in the fuels and increasing in the food items cost and all. This is the main cause of inflation. The state should cut the tax first to let the bring petrol products under the GST. Here petrol products they are telling to bring under the GST, And the latest claim was Petroleum Minister who had admitted that the prices are problematic, but the government is saying money to spend welfare schemes. Government is telling instead of maintaining the cost of the goods and services, they can spend the welfare scheme for buying vaccines and all. It will help for the poor people in this corona crisis times, and for the population already reeling for job income losses and higher medical costs since the pandemic onset. The presently high inflation is untenable. No welfare schemes can upset it to disproportionately advise the impact on poor. This increasing of inflation and all, it will affecting the poor only. Instead of this cost and all reducing, they can bring the government scheme for saving money to spend welfare scheme to help the in corona time crisis. This article is telling detail about what happening in the present situation of economy. We'll see next article. Bracing for the tree. Here is the variant of coronavirus of AY1. Again, they are discussing in this article. India must to be alert to be dangerous to emerging variant for the coronavirus. Hey, emerging from the Delta variant called AY1 is raising global concern here. The Indian five leading labs have submitted data to the Global Institute and sharing of influence of all the data. Here, the UK Public Health England said that 63 genomes in the UK and 6 were in the India. The variant was AY1 dot. The variant is AY1 or a B161721. The mutation along with this variant is K417N. Already we discussed about first article. The concern here is this is highly infected, and this particularly one has previously been identified in the beta variant, first detected in the South Africa, which is international variant of concern as in a highly infection and knows reduced for the vaccine potency. Here the Delta variant is a reportedly the most prevalent coronavirus variant in India and comprises close to the third genome sample. K417N mutation is the some studies have found that it was associated with the resistance to the newly developed monoclonal antibody treatment drugs, cocktails and Castrimab and Imdevim. For these assessed with the moderate to the severe disease risk. Here the coronavirus are marked by the convergent evolution. Some defining mutation that is emerged in different states from the around the world start to become more common in the subsequent variant. These mutations are beneficial to the virus and thought a process to natural selection. They help to the infect human cells more efficiently as well as through defense antibodies. Evolution in the instant process, and it is impossible to forecast the SARS-CoV-19 to SARS-CoV-2 will become part of human ecosystem. Time and again the countries have suffered from the consequently lack of preparedness. It is important not to downplay the seriousness of the threat. We'll see next article. Embracing cryptocurrency. The last week it saw the El Salvador become the first country in the world to adopt the Bitcoin to legal tender. This illustrates in the rising of global trend for embracing the cryptocurrency. The fact that cryptocurrency has no legal classification should not be in the imputed in the prohibits its use in India. I will see detail about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a cryptocurrency or a crypto is a virtual currency secured by the cryptography. It is designed to work as a medium of exchange. The first type of cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, remains most used and valuable and popular cryptocurrency. Here, the recently we saw one news in between North America and South America. The El Salvador is one country. First is it's legally using of Bitcoin. They are given permission in the uh, cryptocurrency. In this article, they are telling about cryptocurrency. What are the advantages of cryptocurrency? The advantage of cryptocurrency is fund transfer between two parties will be the easy without the need of third party like credit card or debit card or bank. This is we can transfer from peer to peer. It is a cheaper alternative compared to the other online transactions. It's a disadvantage of cryptocurrency. The almost hidden nature of the cryptocurrency transaction makes them easy to be the focus on illegal activities such as money laundering, tax evasion, and possibly even terror facing. And next on this disadvantage, cryptocurrency are not accepted everywhere and have limited value elsewhere. The cryptocurrency not accepted in everywhere. We will see what happened in India. The cryptocurrency market in India was developed in the largely centralized fair regularly space since in the first record cryptocurrency transaction in 2010. Between 2013 and 18, the government response to the rise of virtual currency was cautiously altering the user to potential risk posed by the cryptocurrency transaction. Here, fear were legitimacy and a statement for the cryptocurrency, violating their susceptibility to the hacking and the fact that they could potentially facilitate criminal activities such as money laundering, terrorism, and facing and tax evasion. In this stand, developing of regularly framework address these issues. The Reserve Bank of India, like RBI in 2018, effectively imposed the ban of cryptocurrency trading. This ban was overturned by the Supreme Court in 2020. The court reasoned that is where alternative regulatory measures short on the outright ban through which is RBI could have achieved its objective to curing the risk associated with the cryptocurrency. Here, 2000 only RBI is banned about cryptocurrency because of already I told disadvantage. What happening here means the money laundering, tax evasion, and possible ever terror financing. These are then India next move lies in the dropped cryptocurrency and regulation of Office Digital Currency Bill in 2021. This one you have to important to remember. The cryptocurrency and regulation official digital currency bill 2021, the draft bill proposal to criminalize all private cryptocurrencies while also laying down to regulatory framework for the RBI backed digital currency. The Minister of State and Finance is response to the question the Parliament state that regulatory bodies do not have the legal framework to directly regulate the private cryptocurrency owing their implicit legal nature in India. Has a draft bill yet to be tabled the Parliament, there is some hope that this concern will be addressed in the form of regulatory approach rather than the other ban. What about in other countries? There is in the UK and Singapore, US, the UK has classified cryptocurrency as property, and this had paved the way to the cryptocurrencies as en- encompassed within the regulate legal framework in the country. In economy, the UK sought that regulating functioning the crypto businesses while still imposing some restrictions to protect the interest inventor on the other hand, while other is legal classification of cryptocurrency in Singapore, amenability of cryptocurrency transactions so that contract law framework of the country has finally established there no legal framework cryptocurrency trading. In USA, the open approach taken by the authorities has resulted in the trade of cryptocurrency being both taxed and approximately regulated, when the approach are specific to the countries. Economic, realistic, and they cannot be blind implement in India because of global regulation attitude towards cryptocurrency offer valuable insights into the alternative ways to achieve the balanced regulation. You can see the cryptocurrency should not be impetus to prohibit its use. The government should use this as an opportunity to allow private individuals freedom to harness a powerful new technology with the appropriate appropriate regulatory standard. In this, you have to remember the Solidar in the word, the adapted the Bitcoin legal using. Thank you.